Hey, how's it going, everybody? The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is basically upon us. The Samsung One UI update is basically imminent for the S24 Ultra. Now, as far as the S23 Ultra goes, we're basically looking, probably realistically speaking, we're looking around the end of March, if we're lucky, right? The middle of March, end of March. Some people are saying April. I haven't seen or heard anything definitive from Samsung. But with all that being said, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra has been being talked a lot lately. And this is a terrific phone, straight up. That's why it's being talked a lot about. And I'm basically thinking out loud here. And I wanted to say something. For those of you who are actually hanging on to your S23 Ultra, which is a very smart and good idea, and you're fixing to get the One UI 7 update, I recommend, and this is an unpopular sentiment in some circles here, but what I'm going to do with my S23 Ultra, because it has some miles on it. I've had this phone from the very beginning. I've gotten updates, and I've just run the phone. I mean, that's what I do. I don't even know when's the last time I've turned this phone off. I mean, besides when it gets an update and it restarts and all that. What I'm going to say right now is this. I recommend before, or like when you get your the update, go ahead and factory reset your phone. Actually, when you get the update, factory reset the phone, start out fresh, go ahead and back everything up. Personally, for backups, I use Google One, and I back everything up to Samsung, some stuff to Samsung, right? So I recommend you do that. I recommend you factory reset the phone, start completely fresh. That way, because back in the old days, it was more of an issue. You basically had to do it. These days, you probably don't. All right, I rarely do something like that. It's just software has gotten better, and these updates have gotten a lot better, so you don't have to do anything like that. I want to say something else. Remember, I'm just talking out loud here. I really, really wish, and I don't want Samsung to wait 4, 5, 6 months to do it. I wish Samsung would have released an S23 Ultra in this color right here. Samsung was calling it red at the time, but this is actually orange. I mean, anyone that looks at that knows that's orange. That's nowhere near red. But anyway, I really wish Samsung would have released some more exciting colors. The colors they have out right now are okay. I'm going to be getting the titanium blue S23 Ultra, but anyway, I kind of wish they would have offered something a little more exciting. Actually, no, I'm getting the titanium silver. What I wanted to say, the titanium blue looks pretty cool, but I really wish Samsung would have did something a little more exciting as far as colors goes. But anyway, the whole point of this video was me telling you all, I think it would be a good idea to, after you get your Samsung One UI 7, the Samsung One UI 7 update, I think it'd be a terrific idea for you all to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultras. All right, everybody. Thank you for listening. Take care.